What's going on, guys? Josh here with Trax RC. In today's video, I'm going to be bashing the Kraton 4S V2 here at a new skate park that I've been to, but the Kraton hasn't been to. So we're going to be testing it here and see how it does. We are, of course, running on 4S LiPo because that's the only way to do it. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to ripping this thing.
I don't wanna wake up and let my dreams die. This moment I'll make it mine. Don't tell me I'm wasting time. I'll show you what I'm made of.
Oh, I haven't drove this thing in so long. It's been like 4 weeks. The amount of suspension travel it has is insane. So I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen my new Kraton 6S EXB that I just traded for my Stampede 4x4. And the first thing I noticed is, first of all, it's a lot more compact, like electronic wise, but I like how much space this one has on the chassis. And the other thing that I noticed is the suspension travel. This one has a lot more travel than the 6S, which I don't really get. I feel like the 6S should have more, but it doesn't. It's so fast. It's like too big for this skate park, honestly. This one doesn't really have a lot of room, which is why I don't love it. That's it. It almost wasn't gonna be it. Ooh. That was not what I wanted. And this thing really does take a beating though. I really do like it. It's a giant marshmallow. I don't think I could clear it. The fence and the power line, I really don't. I mean, I would need to come from all the way over here, full speed, and then try to like swerve to miss this ramp, and then like do one of those. But I don't think that's possible. A wheelie so easily. Oh, there's a car. Oh, seems to be doing all right. I'm telling you, this wheelie bar saves a lot of the rear end. It just cushions it. Trying to get it to stand up in a wheelie once it gets up there. There we go, something like that. I feel like this RC is more controllable than the infraction though, because I just got done running the infraction here. I feel like because it's bigger, I feel like because it's bigger, I'm more like cautious of its size. Plus it just has more traction. I lost throttle. Oh, it probably just came unplugged. I lost steering too. Yep, it came unplugged. How's the chassis doing? It's a brand new chassis, so yeah, it's good. No cracks yet. All right, well, I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead. I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. There's not much I could do here, honestly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a like, share it with others so I can grow my channel. And with that, I will see you guys in the next video on Trax RC.